Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Dami from CJdropshipping. Sometimes we receive the complaints of why my orders take so long to process. Your processing time is much longer than you promised and the like. Today I will talk about this problem, why orders take a long time to process and how to control the processing time. Generally speaking, for those stocked in CJ warehouses, the processing time is 1 to 2 days. Others, 3 to 5 days. These are the processing times for most of the orders. However, there could be some unexpected situations that prolong the processing time. In the past, especially in high seasons, the processing time was long due to the overload orders. But CJ newly launched some warehouses and hired more staff to solve the problem. You can see a warehouse tour of our new warehouse in Jinhua in this video. That is quite a large warehouse, and the daily processing orders in this warehouse are more than 50,000 orders. You can see how CJ processes orders in that video. Now we have 8 CJ warehouses over the world. More are on preparing and planning, so no worries about CJ's processing ability. But some other unexpected situations make the processing time longer than estimated. Here I list a few examples. You know, CJ Dropshipping does not manufacture those products, so we purchase from suppliers. For some hot products, we will pre-stock inventories, but you know there is numerous merchandise in the market, so we are not able to pre-stock all of them. Most of the products are not stocked in CJ warehouses. Once orders are generated, our purchasing team is looking for the best supplier to purchase products. Then the CJ team will check the quality, remove the invoice and all the information from the supplier, then repackage and send out to your customers. These procedures normally take 3 to 5 days, but sometimes unexpected situations will happen. For example, suppliers make mistakes. Sometimes they do not send out products on time. Sometimes they send the wrong items, sometimes less of items. These situations all lead to processing delays. Another situation that may lead to a processing delay is the defects or poor quality of the products. Like I just said, the CJ processing team will check the quality of every item after they arrive at the CJ warehouse. Any of those fail our quality checking, we will return the items and ask for a send or buy from another supplier. This situation will certainly prolong the processing time. And for orders with multiple products, the chance of meeting the above situations will be greater, like short of one or some products. So usually, orders with multiple products will take longer processing time than orders with one or within 3 items. Then, how to prevent long processing time? I got 3 suggestions for you. First of all, keep an eye on your orders. CJ has a team to check the lagging orders. Those do not process in 3 days. But some orders may be omitted because they go over a huge number of orders every day. And now we are working on a feature of checking the lagging orders automatically. Once this feature launched, things will be much better. But it's always an important thing to keep an eye on your orders by yourself, so you can take full control of your business. If you have too much orders every day, then you can hire somebody to assist you or ask for a dedicated agent to take care of your business. My second suggestion is sell those with plenty of inventory in the CJ warehouse. I would like to share an exciting new feature with you guys here. You can check the updated inventory in the CJ warehouses now. You can check the real inventory on every product page for each variant. The processing time for those stocked products is 1 to 2 days. You can expect those orders to be sent out in 24 hours. And if you got many products in your store, it is advised to buy a private inventory for your many products, which means fast processing time, and you can buy a private inventory to CJ US warehouse, Germany warehouse, or any other overseas warehouse. Then you can enjoy a 2 to 5 days delivery time. Here is the tutorial video of how to buy a private inventory. And you may worry when you bought too much inventory but you are not able to sell them all out. That will not be a problem anymore because CJ has launched a supplier plan. You can transfer your private inventory into supplier inventory and post them on CJ Marketplace. Other sellers will help you to digest the stock. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment below if you have any other questions about the processing time and inventory. Smash a like to help out with our channel and subscribe to us to get more updated information. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon in the next video.